Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to transfer Harmony from MetaMask to an exchange. Now, for this example, I'm going to use Binance Exchange that I'm going to transfer to. However, this could be any exchange. It all works in the same way. If you enjoy this sort of content and you want to support the channel, mash that like button. We really do appreciate it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here, and this is my test MetaMask account. Now you will normally be on the Ethereum mainnet, so you want to change that to the Harmony mainnet. Now I'm going to have made the assumption that you've already got Harmony mainnet on your MetaMask. If you haven't, check out the channel for other tutorials under Crypto Basics playlist, and you will see how to do that there. So we've got 1.54 Harmony 1 on this particular wallet. Now all you do, click send. You're going to obviously be asked for the address. Now if you go to the exchange and you copy the address that is required, you will find that it is a Harmony 1 address, and you can only send to a Ether address. So what you'd need to do is go to explorer.harmony.1. I will link it in the description of this video, and in the search bar here on the website, you just literally paste the one address that you got from the exchange, and then you see address format here, change that to ETH. That will change the address to an ETH style address. You just copy that, and you will see that it says clipboard down the bottom. Go back to your MetaMask wallet, and all you do is paste it there. You will then need to decide how much Harmony you are looking to send. So I'm going to send 1 Harmony, and then I'm going to press next. Make sure that everything is satisfied here, and then click confirm. So you will now see that it's sent the Harmony to the exchange, and it says pending. Now this will take a little bit of time. We'll wait for that to be confirmed, and once this is confirmed, you will then obviously wait a few more minutes. So we can see it's confirmed now. It says it's sent 15th of June. Now -1 Harmony, and it will take a little bit of time, but not too long, and you would then see that arrive on your exchange. So it's really simple. However, you've kind of got to change the format of the address, which takes a lot of people by surprise. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, support the channel by mashing that like button, subscribing to the channel so you're kept up to date on everything related to crypto, and check out the Crypto Basics, where we're going to start doing more and more educational stuff whilst we're in this bear cycle. For anybody new in the space, jump in our Discord, link is in the description, free to join. Over 3,500 people talking about crypto 24/7, and check out our Patreon. Again, link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.